I don't think it's like outstanding. Hello everybody and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Julia and in today's clip we are gonna review Kylie's blush, the Winter Kissed. I always say Winter's Kiss instead of Winter Kissed. And seriously, this was the first blush that sold out when she launched in the UK. I was really disappointed because I really wanted this, but it came back in stock and I bought it still. This is 18 pounds. This is quite of an expensive blush, not gonna lie about that. And yeah, I decided to test it out for you to see if the hype is real. I think Kylie is beautiful and she has a gorgeous blush all the goddamn time, and she always raves about Winter Kissed. So yeah, that's why, yeah, I was like, oh my god, if I can make myself look like Kylie Jenner with just one blush, I'm sold. 18 pounds looking like Kylie Jenner, that's a very cheap price. We obviously know that's never gonna happen, especially because I think me and Kylie Jenner have different styles. So without further ado, allow me to apply the blush and discuss with you how I feel about it. So I have here the Kylie Jenner blush in shade Winter Kissed, and I'm gonna open it with you. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is how the blush looks like. And yeah, we are gonna dive right into it. I actually don't like this kind of like film. I don't know, it's just kind of like sad. It's a bit sad, and I don't know, it's just like, it feels a bit cheap. This one. But the actual packaging, it's sturdy. It has a really nice mirror. I don't want to show you the mirror because it's a disaster in the behind. Well, nevertheless, it has a nice mirror. Like, I'm just gonna show you like so. Do you see it? It has a nice mirror. And the actual tone of it, it looks really nice. I don't think it looks like something I actually own myself. It actually has a different undertone. And although when I went on stories and be like, oh my god, I'm so excited to try Kylie Cosmetics and her blushes and this and that and that, majority of people were like, not impressed. I think it's overhyped. But I feel this blush might be the one that's making a statement. It can make a statement into your collection, and you can't find something quite similar like this one. I don't know, we'll see. Let's jump into applying it, because obviously I have no idea what I'm talking about because I never used it. It's actually a first impression. So I'm gonna dive into my brushes and see which brush I'm gonna use today. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one because I like it. Very kind of like featherly. This is actually from freaking Poundland and I still use it. It's really nice, but I'm just gonna clean it because it has already some blush. I'm using this kind of like spray brush cleaner and it's actually really good. It changes the game, seriously. I always have it next to me. I really like the packaging. The packaging feels really expensive. So I'm gonna dive into it. So it looks like so. As you can see, it does pick up on the bristles. And yeah, it doesn't seem to have any fallout, which is interesting. So let's go. Wow, I feel like Kylie Jenner, like seriously. This is the actual shade she always uses, and I've always loved Kylie's blush, even when I was not into blush, to be completely honest. Her blush is always on point, and I'm like, yes, of course, like, I'm in. Although I used to hate blush, here I am today. Because I don't know if I mentioned, this was 18 pounds, which is not the cheapest blush. However, oh my god, am I Kylie Jenner yet? Probably not, but it's nice to dream. It's nice to dream. Just gonna apply some on the nose. So far so good. It doesn't seem like it does anything to my skin in terms of like, you know, it did not move my foundation and stuff like that, you know what I mean? It looks really nice. It really did blend into my skin. I'm gonna come closer so you can see. It does melt into the skin, like it's not sitting on top, which is interesting because it's a powder. So I really like that. It's a really nice formula. Sick. So far, so good. I really like the color. Yeah. But yeah, so far so good. I'm just gonna go finish off my face and I'll be right back with some final thoughts about the blush and whether it's worth the money, the hype, whatever you want to name it. So yeah, I think the blush, I actually tested out one of her eyeliners and I'm gonna be completely honest, it's not necessarily the most positive review, but the blush is really nice. I think I did not apply as much as she does. It's not that intense, so I think I'm just gonna go and apply a teeny tiny bit more. Yeah, but I think it's really nice that it's buildable, so you can apply more. See, you can apply much more and build it up, or you can apply less and be like chill down, you know, if you're not that much into blush. I think the formula is really nice. It really does melt into the skin. So in terms of like blushes, it's really nice formula. So yeah, I really like the blush and the color, and that is pretty much from me for today. I really hope by any means this video was useful and relevant to you and you find it helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually bought yourself something from Kylie. When I told people I'm gonna buy stuff from Kylie, they were like, oh, she's overrated, everything is overrated. And I'm like, I guess in terms of like, if you're like a makeup artist who likes creativity and standing out, I don't think that Kylie's Cosmetics is the best place to go. I don't think it's like outstanding, but I think in terms of like, I don't know, at least the blush, complexion wise, I think it looks quite good. But obviously if you are the kind of person who's simplistic, just an eyeliner base and you're good to go, then I guess that's her selling point, so maybe that's why it seems overrated. But yeah, I don't know, I recommend the blush. So without further ado, like this clip, leave a comment down below if you're about to buy something from her, and I hope you're gonna enjoy the next clip. Subscribe, because I upload every single week at least a video. Hit the bell button please, because that way you're gonna be notified when I upload. So yeah, without further ado, enjoy the next clip. Bye!